Hey, salut à tous, c'est Cardan, on se retrouve pour ce nouvel épisode du Let's Play de Dreamfall Chapters, et peut-être le dernier. On est en compagnie de Kian, on s'était laissé là après un épisode plein de d'histoires et de révélations, on va dire, mais globalement, nous, on doit choper le prophète, on doit choper l'arme du prophète, et s'en servir pour tuer Rupert Clax, Rupert Clax même, parce qu'il a un fragment à l'intérieur de lui qui contient le dévoreur de rêves. Dans tous les cas, par où est-ce qu'on se sauve, nous? Pas par ici, visiblement. On va aller voir par là-bas. Un peu brouillon, je vous avouerai. C'est... Bah, cet épisode, l'épisode précédent, tout ça, ça chamboule un peu dans ma tête, mais bon. Ah, il fallait descendre, je pense que c'est là où il y avait une plateforme. Bon, ça commence bien, si j'arrive pas à me sauver d'ici. Ouais, il y avait un truc ici. Et on remonte.
Something's happening. The air is shimmering, and there's a deep hum that's making my bones vibrate.
Non, tu crois qu'il se passe quelque chose là? Vraiment? Dans ton environnement, là, t'as vu un truc un peu atypique. Ok. Alors, bah oui, c'est le grand moment. Eux, ils vont faire leur cérémonie et tout ça. Dans le but de faire disparaître tous les magiques, du coup. Toute la magie, même, pour être précis. Tu vas faire quoi? Tu vas faire du Tomb Raider? Ah ouais. Ok. Très bien. Il voit pas très clair, hein, ici, en fait. Malgré la luminosité autour de nous, c'est assez sombre. C'est pas là? Oui. Qu'est-ce que j'ai raté? Un levier, peut-être? Non. Attendez, j'ai cru voir un truc là. Ok. Faut aller le voir. Hein. Ah, ce sentiment de rush de faim qui est assez particulier.
Oh, sorcery.
C'est pas de la sorcellerie.
Who the hell are you?
Is everyone gonna ask me that question? Who am I kidding? Of course everyone's going to ask me that
normal.
question. I'm just the woman keeping the doorway open because I was asked to do so and I couldn't really say no. I have no idea who you are, lady, so I'm going to guess you're not that important. But him? He's got a job to do.
Is that Stark? Is that Stark through there?
Is it?
Yep. Hi, Zoe.
Anna. This one's Ferdow's.
I always believed the stories about a mirror world. Oh, but this... It's incredible.
Where's Keon? Is he alright? We lost contact with him.
He went after the Prophet.
Of course he did.
I'm sorry, but Saga, how are these two going to help?
I don't know. I'm a glorified doorkeeper. Why don't you ask them?
Don't look at me. He's the star here. Ferdow's. Ferdow's, stop staring at that bloody portal.
Oh, yeah, hello.
Tell this one what you're planning.
I was gonna feed the engine a series of, calculations designed to make it, well, to force it to, stop.
You mean crash it?
Crash? Yes, exactly. How did you know? Do you also code spheres?
Spheres? I guess you could say that. So you can force the engine to crash?
Yes. I mean...
Ah, c'était le choix du début.
I could have. Not anymore. It stopped taking new instructions when it began running the final calculations and...
There's no way to get in?
No, it's a closed system. Once the final set of instructions are running, there's nothing that I mean, I didn't write the core operational code. If I knew more about how that code functions, then maybe...
Do you have schematics? Diagrams?
Diagrams? Of the engine? Well, I don't. But they keep diagrams right here. You know, I could probably find some.
Get them. I happen to know the most brilliant engineer there is, in Stark at least. If anyone can wrap their head around a steampunk calculating engine, it's Wit. Saga, can Fadaus pass through the shift?
No idea. But you made it through without being torn into a billion pieces, so the odds are decent.
Got them. What was that about a billion pieces?
Let's go.
Huh?
Friend of Keon's?
Not really, no.
So this is some sort of magic portal between worlds.
Something like that.
Vaven? K-O-N Technologica?
The most advanced engine there is, yeah. Wait, you're not speaking English? I guess you weren't speaking English in the first place, but I still understand you. Do you understand me?
Koe?
I guess that was expecting too much. Well, we're gonna have to make this as simple and as visual as possible. Mira, put Wit on. No. Shut up. No discussions. Do it now. Please. Wit? Zoe. I need your help, and fast.
Ils l'ont
Hold on,
skippé
I'm sending
carrément
you
là.
some schematics. I need you to figure out a way to get this system caught in an infinite loop. And for Daos, watch. Hey, watch this.
Ils l'ont complètement skippé, allez hop. Ah non. Et du coup, il garde plus son masque vu qu'on sait qui c'est.
Everything is ready?
Everything's ready.
Même si ça n'a aucun sens dans le monde que l'on voit.
The engine is operating within parameters. The Well of Dreams has been activated. The tower is focusing the current and the tear is expanding. You need only tap into the well with your scepter and then you can shape the dreaming to your will.
Good. You'll receive your reward, Klax, I promise.
Master.
At long last, they'll understand when they witness the new world. They'll understand that I was merciful and kind, that I acted in the best interests of all humanity. Sometimes people have to die for the rest of us to live on. And I can go home again. After all these years, home.
Donc si j'ai bien compris, là ils vont
It feels like
envoyer des...
reality itself is coming
Vas-y,
apart.
Ken, termine.
We don't have much time.
Si j'ai bien compris, ils vont envoyer du code pour bloquer le moteur à l'aide de Wit qu'on va même pas voir, qui a été appelé par magie ou je sais pas quoi, par téléphone. Ah, c'est un petit peu... fou. C'est poussif, hein. Alors là, on les voit bien là-bas. Bah, je peux pas aller de l'autre côté. Ok. Bah écoutez, ok, je
Aren't you
t'écoute.
dead yet? Doesn't matter. You're too late. We've already won. You'll be properly dead.
Alors qu'est-ce qui va se passer? Oh, ok. Super. Bon allez, on est reparti. Hein. On a pas Dark Vador et Palpatine.
What did I tell you? Dead. Brainless barbarian. I just need. Where did his body land? The Neanderthal must
Ok.
possibly
Hop là.
survive that fall. Should be able to see his body. Just
J'ai l'impression que je puisse passer là.
damnation is it?
L'autre il va gueuler pendant une demi-heure. Mais où est son corps? Mais où est son corps?
He's
Le
never
temps que je
betrayed
trouve la
the
solution.
eagle-eyed cracks they used to call call me. Can't see him, but there's no way he survived the fall.
Regardez le il raconte sa vie. Il peut pas aller au milieu.
He fell into the current, torn apart by dreams.
Pas détacher ça. Et là je suis bloqué. Est-ce que j'ai des trucs sur moi? Non, j'ai rien du tout sur moi. Très bien. Bon, ça doit pas être compliqué.
Where in damnation is it?
Must be here somewhere.
Eyes never betrayed me. Eagle-eyed
Ah, c'est ici.
Drax, they used to call me. How many lives do you have, man?
C'était pas ici visiblement.
Did his body land?
Et du coup faut recommencer. On
Must
trouve le
be
bon
dead.
endroit.
Possibly have survived that fall. I should be
Forcément
able
où
to
il y a
see
des
his
câbles
body,
du coup.
though. I just need to be absolutely sure. Where in damnation is it?
Ça va toi?
No, no! Give me
No, no!
You don't know what you're doing. It'll eat you up. It will destroy you. It's channeling the dreams of an entire world. I'm on your side, you idiot. I'm trying to eradicate magic.
Bouge pas, hein, repère surtout. Bouge pas. Et voilà. Merci.
Damnation.
Toi tu reviens dans Brian. Je vois assez mal comment ça peut les aider honnêtement. Hein. Ok.
Do you understand me now?
Yes, perfectly. On that side, you're speaking gibberish.
Zoe?
English. It was English. But did you pick up on what Wit was showing you?
Zoe, you need to hurry. The shift's starting to contract.
Okay. So did it make sense to you?
The instructions? Yes, yes. It made sense. A special set of instructions fed directly into the engine, designed to mask itself as part of the final programming, but with erroneous calculations. Calculations that will cause the engine to enter an infinite loop and
Arrête de
burn
parler,
itself out.
fais-le.
Virus. We call it a virus.
Like a disease? This makes sense. This makes a lot of sense.
Now, Zoe!
And can you do it?
Well, I don't know if I... Huh!
Voilà.
Fuck.
En même temps, elle vous a prévenu, hein.
So, can you?
Now that I understand the fundamentals, yes. I'll need to feed a series of manual instructions directly into the engine. It'll take some time, but I
Time
can...
we don't have. Just get started.
Ben ouais, vas-y. Oh là là.
Goddess. Alright.
Ah, il y a le grand méchant pas beau. Je suis méchant. Je me retourne, mais c'est un peu trop tard.
How do we shut it down?
Pardon, ça me fait trop cette scène.
We won't be shutting anything down, even if you threaten to shoot me.
We're not shooting any...
Ah. Brian en mode pas content.
Mr.
Le destructeur
Mr.
de rêves.
Westhouse. What are you... Oh, God.
What are you doing? You're not supposed to be here. You betrayed me. You're trying to destroy everything I've...
Un petit coup de Dark Vador, comme on n'avait pas encore vu la référence. Mais lui avec son flingue, arrête de t'avancer avec tir.
You were a tool.
J'y crois pas.
Nothing more. Did you think I'd let you play God? Existence is an accident. It was never meant to be dreamed. There was just dreaming and undreaming. For every creation, a destruction, infinitely in balance. It's time to end this diseased dream.
Alors, faut utiliser les pouvoirs de Zoé, visiblement. On va tout utiliser, hein.
Let her go.
Ok, c'est tout. Je pensais qu'il y avait un ordre spécifique, qu'il allait avoir un sens logique, mais non, il fallait juste utiliser tout en même temps. Comment on se retrouve?
You're not supposed to be on your own. You've been causing so much grief. They don't understand you. They don't understand that there needs to be balance in all things. Life and death. Light and darkness. Creation, destruction. Dream and undream. All things in balance. It's time to come home and to dream new dreams.
It's working. It's working. The engine, it's spinning back around, reversing the instructions. The vortex is winding down. Thank goddess. It's working.
Ok.
They're here, Vamon. Harmy's men, the rebels, and your men too. Deserters! Goddess, save us, they're here! How did this happen? Were your men not supposed to remain loyal? Did you not make me that promise?
I killed Harmy, but his men must have got to mine. They saw the tide turning. They were spooked when the tower lit up. Sorcery. They believe it's sorcery and they blame us.
So do something about it!
What exactly do you want me to do? Convince them to change sides again? It's over, sire.
Everything's falling apart. Goddess, why have you abandoned me? I thought I was doing your work. So we stay here, and we face them when they come. You and I, together. We tell them we were misled by the Prophet, like so many others. That we believed we were acting in accordance with the wishes of the Goddess. Perhaps the light will shine upon us, and we'll be spared. Or at least, we die with our heads lifted to the sky, redeemed in her glory. Vamon, we can walk the slopes of the First Mountain, hand in hand. You'll do this for me, Vamon. Because you love me, and you wish to protect me. We share the responsibility for this.
Ah, c'était sûr qu'il allait la tuer. Hein.
Here to be arrested, tried and executed in ignominy. Her shame was too great. She jumped. She had misled everyone, including the commander. I will let you take credit as the sole architect of our grand scheme, sire. I grant you that gift.
Bouh, le méchant était méchant. Ok, on est de retour avec Saga, j'ai l'impression. Ah. Les restes de Crow.
Guess I'm just a gust of wind, moved on quickly, almost unnoticed, but quite powerful. A rush could easily have blown your defenses down, could easily have blown your defenses down. Did you hear me whispering hello? Did you see me waving goodbye? Did you notice that I didn't cry? Your days I don't mind. It was worth the try.
Beaucoup de choses à dire, beaucoup de choses.
Oh, my darling boy. I'm sorry you were caught in the middle. I'm returning to Sadir. This has been a setback for us, but we will persevere. Without the Prophet. The Council is ours. We control the army. We may not be able to rid the world of magic yet, but we can cleanse Azadir. We can prepare for the war ahead. I'm doing what needs to be done to save the soul of our nation. To save our people. To save you, Kian. When you reach the first mountain and look down on us all, you'll understand.
Vachement utile leurs armures. Hein.
You.
That's right. You left me to die on a street once. I'm just returning the favor.
But you were nothing. Just
A slave girl. I'm free now.
Et il va mourir comme ça. Ok. Bon. Après tout, c'est pas incohérent. Une semaine plus tard. Alors Kian qui est toujours vivant, hein. Kian l'invincible. Ah, je sais pas si je suis dans les locaux de la Résistance qui sont censés ne plus être valides ou si je suis dans le temple. Je crois que je suis dans le temple. Après, les deux trucs se ressemblent quand même beaucoup.
Their war isn't over yet, and there's much to do before Mercuria is truly at peace. But they deserve respite.
Alors c'est le camp de la Résistance où tout le monde s'est fait tuer, mais bon, bah visiblement, ils ont tout laissé en bon état, ils peuvent vivre, c'est tout, tout va bien. Pas d'interaction. Oh, tu vas bien retrouver au moins Liko et Enu.
The restoration won't be painless, but the hardest part is over.
Ah, voilà, Liko est en train de se recueillir pour Shepard, j'imagine. Ah, et là, ils ont mis une coiffe pour chaque personne qui est morte d'importante, parce que visiblement, il n'y a que 3 personnes importantes dans ce jeu. Ça casse un peu le truc quand même, hein, mais bon. Ça, je sais pas c'est pour qui. Je me souviens plus.
Ami.
Ah, Ami. Ah oui, Ami. Oh. J'avais oublié son existence.
Bob who can see. I'd say rest well, but I know that whatever awaited you on the other side, you didn't sit. You guided us, Shepard. You guided me. And you believed in me when no one else did. When I didn't believe in myself. You saved me.
Voilà, il y a eu 3 morts. Tant pis pour les autres.
Are you going to kill me now?
I did swear an oath, Azadi.
You did. And if you choose to do so, I won't fight you. I won't fight my brother.
I believe the gods may be willing to turn a blind eye to my commitment.
Good. I'm glad you have forgiving gods.
I share the sentiment.
So, what now, Liko? Where to next?
This war is just starting. You need people you can trust standing with you. I thought maybe I'd join you in Azadir.
He's needed here in Mercuria more than I need him in Sadir.
Ah.
I could use Liko's help in Sadir. And we've grown close.
Bon, ils vont partir à deux. Hein.
I think that sounds like a good idea. We need to unite my people and yours. And I can imagine no better man at my side than you, Liko.
Likewise. So when do we leave?
As soon as possible. Utana fled the city with the first. I don't believe the Six have any idea they've been deceived. Even without the Prophet, the Masked Council has amassed enough power to make them a formidable enemy. Utana will be in control of Azadir when she returns there. We can't pull the entire Azadi army out of Mercuria without creating unrest. Half the troops will need to stay behind to ease the transition. But it'll have to do. We have the light on our side. Civil war seems inevitable. But we walk with the Goddess, and our enemies are blinded by the shadow. We will prevail, and the Mother will have to pay for her crimes. We're bringing Naane. She asked to come along. She can be of good use to us. I'm going to ask Enu to step up and take over some of Shepard's tasks here in Mercuria.
A wise choice.
I believe so. If she accepts.
She'll do anything for you.
The restoration will take time, and it won't be complete before all the Magicals are back in the city. The ones who want to return. But perhaps that's for the best. Trust between humans and non-humans will need to be restored first. I wish I could stay to help it. My mission isn't here. I need to look west now.
Just say the word. I'm ready, Kian. Brother.
We'll leave soon. I just have to say my goodbyes first.
Ok. Alors j'imagine que il y avait 2 bouts de fin différents selon si on était redevenu pote avec lui ou pas.
War isn't over.
I know, but don't leave. We can't fix things here without you. And without Shepard? And with Liko going away with you, I mean, who will be in charge? Who's going to make the right decisions and secure peace between humans and magicals and...
You will.
Wait, what? Me? How? What?
You're the strongest and bravest person I know. With you here, the Resistance will do fine.
En vrai, elle a rien fait. Hein.
But, no, you see, I haven't... Huh?
The others trust you and admire you. They'll listen to you. You've proved yourself.
Okay, now you're going to make me cry. That's not fair.
You'll be fine, Nanu.
Oh, okay, here we go. Floodgates wide open.
Goodbye, Enu.
I love you. I mean, in a friendly way. I mean... Ugh, screw it.
Bon, par contre, je la vois vraiment mal en chef de la résistance, hein, vu à quel point elle est hésitante surtout. Mais bon.
Goodbye, Kian Alvane. Prophet, General, whatever else you're going to accomplish with your life, and I'm sure you will accomplish a lot. Good luck with everything. Go save your nation. Okay, all right. We have so much work to do.
Elle est marrante, elle, je l'aime bien. Ah, on revu la saga.
Hey.
Who are you? Where do you come from?
The Ether. I followed the songlines here. I walk between worlds. I'm Saga.
Saga. Thank you for saving my life, Saga.
Ah, alors.
I guess you could say it's fate that I ended up where I was supposed to end up. Not due to any actions on my part, but because the universe decided.
Ça, c'est vraiment un truc qui me frustre énormément dans ce jeu. C'est concrètement, ce personnage, c'est un peu Deus Ex Machina. Et les raisons qu'on invoque, c'est c'est comme ça, c'est tout, c'est comme ça que ça doit être. Et on sait pas qui c'est. Alors, à un moment, j'ai pensé ou cru comprendre que c'était la réincarnation d'April, mais je vois pas trop le rapport. J'ai aussi beaucoup pensé que c'était le croisement entre deux personnes de pouvoir, on va dire, parce que concrètement, elle est pas franchisseuse, elle peut pas franchir les mondes, mais là où les portails ont déjà été ouverts, elle peut traverser entre les chemins déjà créés. Donc ça ressemble vraiment à quelqu'un, la fille d'un franchisseur et d'un rêveur, enfin quelque chose comme ça. Et c'est un peu frustrant parce que je m'attendais à ce qu'il y ait des gros twists et il y ait des vraies révélations là-dessus. Et au final, je pense que ça va se finir comme ça, avec un gros point d'interrogation. Et ça me frustre énormément. Et de manière globale, enfin j'en reparlerai pendant le générique, mais les 2 derniers épisodes, ils sont pas foufous, honnêtement. Voyons voir ce qu'on peut lui dire d'autre.
The choices I've made led me down this path, to Kian Alvane at just the right time. Every action played a small part in saving his life. Fate, choices, I don't know. It might have played out differently, if not for a whole lot of coincidences along the way.
On n'en sait rien en fait. Et comme elle n'est pas caractérisée, Saga, elle a très peu parlé, on connaît pas son caractère, on sait pas ce qu'elle devrait répondre, ce qu'elle répondrait normalement. Voilà, quand même beaucoup parlé de destin, donc on va dire ça.
Thank fate, not me.
I don't believe in fate. I believe in actions.
Pareil pour moi.
You decided to help me.
Okay, well, thanks for saving the world then.
I think our friend Zoe deserves much of the credit for that.
I hope she pulled through.
I'm sure she did. If not, I would know. We all would. She's...
Important? Oh, yes.
How did you know to be in the right place at the right time?
Does it matter?
Bah oui.
Whatever the reason, does it matter? Who is this woman? Her secrecy and lack of respect is... whatever the reason, doesn't matter. Of course it matters. You showed up with the medicine I needed. Did anyone send you...
It'll take a while to explain. We can cover it on the road to Sadir.
Sadir?
Capital of the Azadi Empire? Situated where the 6 rivers meet the...
Stop playing games, woman.
Mais calme-toi, toi, un peu.
What? Why?
Because that's how the story goes. It's been written, and we can't change that now. We have a war to win. And then, in another decade or so, there's going to be an even bigger war. You'll definitely need me for that one. Us. You'll need us. It's been foretold, Bloodless King, for thousands of years. Seriously, I promise I'll cover all of it when we have some quality time to ourselves. Oh, and one last thing. You may not like this one yet. You're going to adopt me.
Adopt? What?
I'll need a name, in Azadir, a surname, otherwise I won't be useful to you. No one listens to a nameless person, and it's not like we can just get married. So you adopt me and bring me into your family, and I take your name and become a princess. Saga Alvane. I like the sound of that. I've never had a surname. We didn't need one.
What are you talking about?
Again, I'll explain soon as we leave. And we should leave soon, because Sadir needs you.
Got it. Yes. Yes. To Sadir. But unless you explain everything, I'll toss you overboard before we're halfway there.
Et je pense qu'on n'aura pas cette explication.
I can live with that.
Good.
Je pense que ça va se terminer là-dessus.
Mm-hmm.
Also, how did you get here? How did you know I was in the Enclave? What was that portal? Can you open portals anywhere? Why not
Everything. I pinky promise.
Light save me.
Et on termine avec Zoé.
Good morning, sunshine.
Oh no, not again.
I promise you, it's for real this time. Do you need anything? Do you need water? The curtains closed, or...?
No, it's okay. The sun, it's good.
The doctor said you'd be waking up. I wanted to be here when you did, to... well, to explain.
Did we win?
We're still here, and the bad guys are gone, so I guess we did.
What happened at the end? There was a bright light, voices, and nothing. Darkness, and then, well, this.
I don't know. That thing that came through, it wasn't human. It tossed me aside like I was nothing. I'm lucky I wasn't killed. I tried to get back on my feet, but then there was a blinding flash of light. And when it faded, it only took a second or two, and then there was just you. No one else. I thought you were dead.
And Helena?
Qui avait disparu à la dernière cinématique.
That thing... Anyway, she won't be back. If she survived, she'll stay away. There's too many people want to...
Oh non, mes jeux.
Waticorp. Are they still after me?
Oh no, they've got enough problems on their hands. Your friend Sully broke the story. They've been linked to the suicide bombing in Propast, to political payoffs, to corruption, and their plans for the Dream Machine were exposed. No one's going to want to log back in anytime soon. The Syndicate's under pressure from the other corporations because of their relationship with Wati. The Eye is under investigation too. They've pulled their operatives from Europolis. That article made shockwaves. Sully sounded really happy when he called. He'll be even happier when he hears you're awake. Waticorp will probably survive. The Dream Machine will not. And without that, they couldn't care less about you. About us.
That's good. And Reza, is he...
When Eingana was destroyed, DreamNet shut down. Wati could no longer control him. He's okay. Confused, but okay. I called him this morning. He's on his way down.
Oh, okay.
Bref, tout va bien, tout est merveilleux.
What were you doing in Mumbai with that woman?
I didn't know any other way. Unless I cooperated, Wati was going to... was going to take you away. Helena convinced them to let us bring you to the lab. They believed we were working on improving DreamNet, while Helena was secretly working on her project, altering reality.
How?
Use entangled particles to affect the quantum state of Dreamtime in order to reshape the physical universe. Change dreams, change reality. Helena spent 30 years on this project. We were partners, but it was always her project, her theories. I'm not sure I ever believed it would actually work, but she was determined, and I...
You made me.
We
Et
did.
pas que toi. On a vu qu'il y en avait
I
4.
don't know if you'll ever forgive me for not telling you the truth, but you began life as an experiment. Our goal was to create an individual capable of existing in both realities, the physical and the dreaming. Someone who could change the world with a single thought, with dreams. But it didn't work. You were just a child. To your mother, you were an asset she could use and discard, but you were my little girl. That's why I left.
Et les 3 autres du coup?
You were only 2 years old. Helena had given up on you. In exchange for my share of Jiva, she let me take you away. I thought it was over. I didn't know she'd come back for you.
There's too much to process right now. I can't. I'll need time. And I'll need the whole story, from beginning to end, all the way back.
Of course. I'm really sorry, Zoe. I let you down again.
Dad, stop. You did what you had to do to save me. I still need to understand exactly what happened, but I don't blame you. Where are we? Still in Jiva's Mumbai lab?
No. This is the real deal. We're back home. Back in Casablanca.
Okay, good. I want to stay.
In the hospital?
I want to go home. To our house. I miss home. I miss you, Dad.
I've missed you too. Of course you can come home, sweetheart.
But I'll be asking tons of questions, and I expect honest answers. No more protecting me from the truth, okay?
Okay.
Right now, though, I just want to sit here and watch the sunlight. I'm sick of sleeping. Sick of dreaming. I want to be awake.
Hey Reza. Coucou. Finalement tout va bien, je suis là. Happy end. Cinq ans plus tard, on a quand même un vrai épilogue. Ah, il y a un bébé corbeau. C'est marrant parce qu'elle a récupéré le corps de Crow. Pourquoi c'est devenu un bébé corbeau, on ne sait pas trop. J'imagine bien que c'est pour nous dire « Hey, et si on faisait un jeu ?»
Tried to get out of here for years. No longer know what I'm doing. Well,
Oh. Oh, elle est enceinte. Bien joué, Reza.
I'm getting scared and my heart starts pounding. I try to scream but there's no sound. I am falling. I'm feet hit the ground. I'm falling, but I'm not going down.
Hey, you.
Ils nous l'ont pas montré. Ah, c'est peut-être pas raison. Épilogue. Encore. Ce qui marche à travers les mondes. Ah, on va peut-être avoir enfin un bout de réponse. De très nombreuses années plus tard. Donc ça, c'est pour rattacher avec les deux autres jeux. Ok.
Every year, it gets colder. Now let's see if we can't put some life into you.
Raviver le feu. Alors pour moi, c'est April, ça. Mais ben du coup...
It's hard sometimes to separate my own memories from what I've read and heard. April's journeys are vivid to me, but also dreamlike.
Ce serait pas April.
Someday, at the very end,
Non,
maybe
c'est
we
pas
will
April.
meet face to face before the cycle begins anew.
Du coup, c'est Saga, ça. Bon, elle est fort maquillée au niveau des yeux, donc c'est possible. Hein. Mais... Zoé.
Brave Zoe. It couldn't have been easy getting caught up in events and wanting nothing more than a quiet, normal life. From what I've heard, she lived a long and fulfilling life. And I know she passed the dream on, or all this.
Oh, il y a plein de choses à regarder ici.
Wouldn't be. Not bad for a 7-year-old with no idea of what was happening to her and why she was having such vivid dreams. I'll leave them up. After all, Papa isn't around to tell
Ouais,
me
c'est
to
Saga.
clean up and bring them to my room. Now, there's a face I haven't seen in a long time. I'll leave that
Ok,
hanging
super. Ça
where
valait
it
pas trop le
is.
coup de le mettre si c'est pour dire juste ça.
Our bloodless king. He did not enjoy that throne, but he never complained. Not to me, at least. Even my endless teasing couldn't faze him. My dearest Kian, I miss our long conversations. I even miss
Eh, il y a
how
Monsieur
every
Calino.
single one of my jokes passed over your head. Hugsy. He's the only creature in this little world of ours older than me. Oh, dear old Hugsy. You're barely holding together. What's that, Hugsy? You miss Papa? I miss him too, old buddy. I'll release you when the time comes. And you can float on the winds until you find another stuffed toy in another little girl's room. What's that, Hugsy?
Ok.
You miss
Bon, par
Papa?
contre, elle a changé de caractère, hein, Saga.
I miss him
Clairement.
too, old buddy. One of the Sylphan worlds. Beautiful and peaceful, as always. So naturally, I grew bored again. One of my older works. I must have painted that when I was in my late teens. I won't mess with this one, but I think I'd like to revisit this particular scene in a painting. Perhaps something that goes further back, to the beginning of the journey. The dead walked in that world. They were exceedingly polite, but it still creeped me out no end. I prefer my worlds three-dimensional, one of my favorite worlds. Vast and beautiful.
Oh, il y a des lunettes.
It took me days to walk there. Why did you never come back to me, Mama? Were you really not able to find your
Ah,
way?
ça non plus on sait
Or
pas.
did
Hein.
something else happen? I could never write as well as she did. So I stopped trying. Oh, Papa. Trying to keep me here with wards and old magic. I
C'est
must
clair.
have been so... They wouldn't do me much good.
Ok, je
Those
pensais qu'on allait s'en
wards
servir quand même.
are long gone.
On va visiter la maison. Non, je crois que toutes les autres pièces vont être fermées. Elle avance pas vite, hein, la saga AG. On va quand même faire tout le tour. Désolé, c'était un petit peu long, mais bon. On profite vraiment de la fin de ce jeu, quoi, parce que là, on arrive au bout, clairement.
Now that my life's winding down, I feel like I'm just beginning to understand song lines. But at least here they are, charted and documented.
Ok.
Someone may... I would so like to go, but not now, not today.
Le talisman de l'équilibre.
This was April's. I'm not sure how that's possible. So much energy.
Effectivement, on s'en souvient. Ça c'est quoi? Une plume de croc, j'imagine?
His feathers are a lot grayer these days, poor thing. He hates growing old even more than I do.
En tout cas, du mini-croc qu'on a vu dans le petit bout d'épilogue.
I'll leave it be. Thank the worlds I learned to play the guitar. Or I'm too busy to call on the song lines tonight. But perhaps another day.
Ah, ça c'est intéressant. Elle a l'air de dire qu'avec la guitare, elle pouvait invoquer des chants de traverse. Sachant que bon, c'est peut-être un peu en lien avec la porte que l'on ouvrait en faisant une chanson. Peut-être.
The complete history of the War of the Balance and the reunification of worlds. That's a tale for another occasion. The twin worlds became one, and decades of strife and unrest followed. Many perished, but it had to be so.
Ah, finalement les deux mondes se sont fusionnés.
Science could
Ok.
not be divided forever. Worlds like that one are jarring. Everything just slightly off. It's like it was designed to keep me on edge. And I have such a hard time understanding post-physicals. She came to me when I was a child. She spoke to me. Come, I believe we'll meet again. The White Dragon, April, me. Life's not a circle. It's a spiral. And there's an end to it.
Ça c'est un peu obscur pour moi. Je pense qu'ils ont donné pas mal d'indices, mais j'ai pas réussi à recomposer les choses. Le lien entre le dragon blanc, April et Saga. Alors moi j'ai senti qu'il y avait une lignée effectivement, mais elle n'est pas claire du tout pour moi. Un peu comme si c'était une réincarnation à ce que je disais, mais bon.
The Secret Lives of Stickman.
Super.
I'll sit down and read later. With a good... The people of Stark got a sneak peek of what reunification would be like with the collapse. For most, it was not a pleasant experience.
Ok, donc là il y a le feu qu'il faut arriver. On vérifie encore les derniers éléments qu'on n'a pas regardés.
I had to visit Letok. I couldn't just let that mystery be. But the paths didn't lead me to them.
Ça c'est le village de sa mère.
And I found nothing.
Elle a rien trouvé.
Still so many worlds unvisited. So many universes left to traverse.
La carte du multivers.
There. Oh, yes. I remember that place. And that strapping Coruscant farm boy. It was an enjoyable 2 weeks. until his wife returned.
Se reposer dans un fauteuil confortable. Quelqu'un frappe à la fenêtre. Gros, j'imagine. En tout cas, Gros Junior, peut-être.
It's freezing out there. You
Et
should
tout
not
gris.
have let me go outside. Brr.
You're a big boy. What imbalance were you thinking?
Fresh air. And I was going a bit stir-crazy inside.
You know very well it's not safe. Paths shift with the wind between worlds, and the song lines are fragile things at the best of times. One discord, and you could end up lost forever. Just like...
You worry too much, old woman.
Oh, old woman, huh? You're no spring chicken yourself, Bird.
Oh, bird me. I've survived worse. Anyway, time to dry my cold feathers by a roaring fire while I enjoy a saucer of sweet sherry.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you. You can't.
What? I can't what?
Be here.
You're not serious. You're serious.
I'm receiving a visitor, and she mustn't see you. There'll be too many questions. Questions I can't easily answer.
And who, pray tell, is this very important visitor?
I will tell you. Afterwards. Go upstairs and warm yourself by the chimney. It won't be too long.
After all these years, I get no respect. No, don't say anything. It's fine. I'm going upstairs. Just don't expect me to come back down again later. Or ever.
I'm making shortbread.
Call me when it's ready.
Ok, alors moi je pense que c'est April, ou les deux petits enfants, mais du coup je vois pas pourquoi ils auraient pas à avoir Saga. Il me semble que c'est April, comme on a vu par le passé. Voilà. La boucle est bouclée.
Welcome, April Ryan.
Et bien voilà, Dreamfall Chapter c'est terminé, en tout cas ma version de l'histoire, vu qu'il y a quand même des variantes en fonction des choix que l'on fait, mais je suis pas sûr que ça impacte énormément la fin, et d'ailleurs j'ai pas vu l'impact que ça a eu le fait que j'ai laissé Brian rester dans la maison, et que je lui ai tout raconté, j'ai pas vu ce que ça a changé. Alors je suis assez mitigé en toute honnêteté par ce jeu. On sent clairement que en fait le jeu est sorti par chapitre, vous le savez sans doute, d'où le nom. Et clairement les premiers chapitres, les deux premiers étaient bien plus finis que les derniers. On a l'impression que les éléments importants de l'histoire sont posés, mais il manque de liant, il y a des raccourcis qui sont faits, les dialogues sont assez creux à la fin. Et je suis déçu de ce dernier épisode personnellement, malgré pas mal de clins d'œil sur ce qu'on a connu. D'ailleurs, on voit qu'on a une petite peinture avec April et Brian Westhouse du premier jeu. Et ça, c'était la sorcière. Enfin bref, on va pas tous les citer. Je vous laisserai profiter du générique jusqu'à la fin, évidemment, comme d'habitude. Du coup, globalement, assez mitigé et surtout très frustré d'énormément de choses qui ne sont pas du tout expliquées et qui servent un petit peu de Deus Ex Machina dans l'histoire. Alors, il y a le TGC magique et il y a aussi le c'est comme ça, c'est le destin, l'histoire était écrite. Bon, bah, à partir de ça, tu l'insères et tu donnes aucune justification et tu peux justifier tout et n'importe quoi. Ce qui est dommage. On aurait dû avancer un petit peu plus sur ces points-là parce que forcément, ça reste en point d'interrogation et on suppose que l'objectif, c'est de faire un 4e jeu ou jeu, ou film, ou série, en tout cas un quatrième élément de l'histoire. Et bah, c'est insatisfaisant, honnêtement. J'ai pas mal râlé sur ce dernier épisode, je sais, en tout cas sur le dernier chapitre. Mais même déjà à la fin du chapitre 4, il y a des choses qui m'agaçaient à ce niveau-là. Et c'est dommage. C'est dommage, mais j'imagine que c'est une question de finances. Hein. Je pense qu'ils sont arrivés au bout du budget qu'ils avaient et qu'ils ont dû alléger les derniers chapitres, je pense. Du coup, voilà. Bon, en fait, des 3 jeux, c'est celui que j'ai le moins aimé. Et je suis un petit peu surpris parce que je pensais que j'allais le préférer à Dreamfall. Il démarrait beaucoup mieux, en tout cas dans un univers qui paraissait cohérent avec une logique. Au final, il y a beaucoup de choses qui ne vont nulle part. Ça, c'est un peu dommage. C'est un peu dommage. En tout cas, beaucoup de nostalgie, évidemment, et puis énormément de clins d'œil aux différents jeux. Alors, clairement, je pense que la personne qui fait juste Chapters et qui n'a pas fait les jeux d'avant, tu passes à côté de 75% de ce qui est fait, parce qu'il y a énormément de références dans tous les sens. Saga, au final, je sais pas c'est qui. Bon, maintenant, on sait que le dragon blanc a été tué par Brian Westhouse. Globalement, ce qu'il voulait, c'est pas très clair non plus. Ouais, un petit clin d'œil aux 24 120 backers, dont moi, du coup. Mais... ouais, voilà, je suis insatisfait. Alors, on n'est pas au niveau de Shenmue 3 en termes d'insatisfaction, mais bon, c'est quand même beaucoup mieux fini. Mais on sent qu'ils sont pas allés au bout. Il y a des raccourcis qui sont faits, et c'est quand même assez dommage. Du coup, voilà, bon, je suis quand même content de l'avoir enfin fait, ce jeu, finalement, parce qu'au final, moi, je l'avais débuté, j'avais fait le chapitre 1. Et à l'époque, il y avait que le chapitre 2 qui était sorti, j'ai dit, bon, on verra plus tard. Et au final, bah, je suis jamais lancé dedans, et là, je me suis lancé dedans, sachant que Longest Journey, c'est vraiment, vraiment un jeu super important pour moi. Le premier, c'est un de mes jeux préférés, tout simplement. Et là, on a perdu quand même de la magie. Hein. Il y a beaucoup trop de tais-toi, c'est comme ça. Et un petit peu de pauvreté dans les dialogues aussi. Je suis assez déçu là-dessus. Les personnages comiques sont réussis. Je pense que c'est ce qui marche le mieux dans le jeu. Donc, bon, il y avait Enu, il y avait Crow, évidemment. Qui s'est fait tordre le cou en 4 secondes. Ça, c'était pas mal parce que assez imprévisible quand même. Et... les personnages comiques marchent bien, l'humour marche bien. Mais il y a beaucoup d'incohérences. Je vais pas toutes les lister, ça sert à rien. C'est pas l'intérêt du jeu. Et du coup, voilà, ben écoutez, on verra bien s'il y a un 4e opus un jour. Si c'est le cas, évidemment, moi je le ferai. Quand, ça c'est un autre sujet. Parce qu'il faut voir sous quelle forme ça arrive et dans quel état aussi. En attendant, moi je vais vous laisser avec ce générique. Je vous remercie d'avoir suivi ce let's play. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu malgré tout. Et je vous dis à la prochaine.
You're a good-hearted woman, and I know I can be a bit of a troll. I don't know where we're going. Don't just say you love me, show me. I got you, but I'm lonely. I don't know, I can't tell. It's like you no longer know me. Perhaps you know me too well. at the end of my rope. I just want you to hold me. Don't just say you love me, show 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 me. I don't even know where to start. I'm just a guy with guitar, trying to make sense of it all. Everything just seems so banal, but there's no need to stay up and ponder. Get out there before it's all gone. I know it's not that easy, such a mind fuck. Oh, believe me, I'm trying to hold on. I'm trying not to let go. I'm trying to keep going. Trying. I still don't really know who I am. After all of these years, goddamn, we're just spinning around in the dark, orbiting around a dying star. But there's no need to lay down and cry. Not going anywhere, it's just right. If I don't know where I